You know you a queen. You know you a queen.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, my angels. How have y'all been? So in this video today, as you can see, I have on a full face of makeup, but for this specific video I wanted to show y'all how I achieve my faux lash extension look. This is for the girls that are on a budget, the girls who can't afford lash extensions right now, the girls who are allergic to the adhesive that's used to achieve lash extensions, the girls who cannot physically or mentally lay down for hours or can't carve out the time to get their lashes done. Like, this is for y'all. So this is a close-up look of my lashes. So if you like what you see, make sure y'all stay tuned for the next clips. I did record my right eye in real time and I did my left eye off of camera. So this one's pretty perfect, this one's not as perfect, but I saved the good stuff for y'all to see. But yeah, make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure that y'all share this video to anybody who may find it useful, or just if you want to support my channel, just share it. Just share it. If y'all want to see any other lash hacks, I can also show y'all how to do lash extensions. I probably won't be able to do actual lash extensions on my own eyes, but I can show y'all how to do it on like a mannequin. If you are a lash tech, I am a licensed esthetician and a certified lash tech, and I did go to cosmetology school as well, but that's neither here nor there. But you know, I like to brag on myself sometimes, just a little bit. So if you are interested in achieving lashes like these, if you're on a budget like I said, or you just want something quick to do, try this out. So this should be able to last, it says on the pack that they last up to 2 weeks, and it does come with a remover, so that is good. So you don't have to pull off your lash extensions or your lashes or your strip lashes. You'll always have a little vial of remover. But yeah, y'all will see what I use in the next clip and how I do everything in the next couple clips. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for tuning in. The lashes that I'll be using today are these Lash Couture Luxtensions collection 3D DIY faux lash extension kit, and this is from the Kiss brand. Focus. This is not a sponsored video whatsoever. This is stuff that I just purchased with my own money and thought that I would come and show y'all a little tutorial. No, can't go wrong with content. So as you can see, I'm filming and get ready with me, but I wanted to film this separate because this is more tedious. But in the kit you have short and medium, and let's see if it'll focus a bit. Yep. So in the kit you have 2 lines of short and then 2 lines of medium lashes. It says that they're C and J curl, so it's all those curls on one strip, which is cool. So you're gonna get like a very feathered look. Up here you have your glue pockets. Let me focus. So up here you have your glue pockets, so I won't be taking anything off of, you don't have to worry about anywhere to put your glue. It comes with a curved tweezer and it comes with a spoolie. It also comes with 2 different types of glue, semi-permanent, lash adhesive. And while you're at the store or online purchasing, you can also purchase lash remover. Oh, actually it comes with it. So this is a black lash adhesive that it comes with. And then it comes with the lash adhesive remover for when you're ready to take them off. I'm taking the glue and I'm putting it in one of the pockets. It definitely does not smell like hair glue, but I'm pretty sure it's kind of the same. So we have the glue in the pocket right there. We don't want it to fall out, but that is what that looks like. And I'm not gonna put it, some people I've seen, they put it on there under their lash line. But I just physically, I just can't do that to myself because I already got soap in my eye today. I don't want to get anything else in my eyeball. And it's not that serious. I kind of like it on the top of the lash line because it gives it like a mascara type of look. So I'm gonna do a cat eye. So my eyes are more almond shaped. My eyes are more almond shaped and they curve up. So they curve up that way. Yeah, I feel like if you have like straight eyes, if you have eyes that are like just straight across and almond shaped, or slanted up, the cat eye looks good because it opens the eye up. But if your eyes are slouched, deep, if you have deep rooted eyes, or if your eyes are kind of slanted down on the sides, a cat eye will only make your eye look, it'll make it look weighed down. So the lashes will kind of look like this on the ends instead of looking open and perky. So I'm gonna do, for a cat eye look, you would typically do your short lashes on the inside and make your way out with the longer lashes. So you only get short and medium, so I'm gonna do short probably up until here, and then I'm gonna transition to medium. So I'm gonna take a lash. Let me take this out. I'm going to take a lash off of the base. These are like so. And then you take and dip it in your adhesive, just the tip of it. Top of my lashes. And then let go. And as you can see, you might have to take it off a couple times. You might have to take it off a couple times and redo it. You guys, so I realized as I'm editing this video that I was out of the frame this whole entire time. So I really do apologize for that, but long story short, basically what you do is you just put the lashes along the lash line. You want to do the short lashes in the inner corner once you get about halfway. Then you start putting the medium lashes or the longer lashes towards the end to create that cat eye look. I really apologize for the messed up clips though. So I'm putting another bead of glue. I don't know how long that's been out of focus. So I'm gonna take my fan and I'm gonna dry that layer. So I'm gonna go back along the top with more lashes. That looks so good. Oh my god. All right, so I'm gonna take my fan and dry my lids or dry my lashes. As you can see, it's giving me exactly what I like. It's giving me a lot of fullness. Like, you can see the contrast between my eyes. My eye still looks very open. It actually looks bigger once you put lashes on it and more popped out. This one kind of looks, I'm hiding a little bit, but this is my smaller eye, so it's my Forest Whitaker eye. This is what my eye looks like closed. I'm gonna record this part off camera. I'm gonna do this part off camera and I'll come back and show y'all the finished product once my makeup is. All right guys, so this is the final look. I'm gonna just zoom in a little bit on my lashes. This is the final look. Yeah, this is the final look, and I hope that y'all enjoyed the video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Like I said, make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe. This was a pretty quick little tutorial that I recorded in between my makeup tutorial. So also, if you like my makeup, make sure that y'all look at the makeup tutorial. It may already be posted. I might post the lash video first, I'm not sure, but whenever you see it pop up, turn on my post notifications, so whenever I post another video, y'all can get the notification and tune into the video. You know, you should already be subscribed and tuning in. I'm trying to push out content twice a week. But yeah, thank you for 1K followers. I really appreciate it. I really love all the support. I've been doing this for a long ass time, but I haven't been consistent, so that is my goal. I keep saying in every video I'm gonna be more consistent, but I'm feeling very motivated right now. I'm feeling like I have minimal distractions, and yeah, I just want to give y'all some great content. So I hope y'all like the video, and thank you for tuning in. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.